Study at Norwich University. Click on the link in the description section and it will lead you to their official website where you can read the details about their admission and their financial aid.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
Go far, go further, go beyond. At Norwich, you find a community that believes trying is an act of bravery. Learning comes from struggling, and succeeding is going beyond what you thought possible. So this is their on-campus programs and then online programs and certificates. Click on admission and aids. You'll be able to read about affordable, accessible, and achievable. Norwich understands that a college education is a significant investment, one we make together with the families of Norwich students. That's why we are committed to making our institution affordable and accessible to all accepted students. It is 99% affordable for students, and then they have $120 million in total gift aid, which was shared among students in 2022, and then you can earn up to $30,000 in academic scholarships alone. So together we'll create a financial plan that best fits your needs. Here are their on-campus admission. When you click on the on-campus admission, it will bring you to this place where you can see scholarship and awards. Let's click on this for new students. This is for then on campus, this for undergraduate, graduate, international and exchange admission. When you click on international and exchange student admission, it will also lead you here where you can see undergraduate admission, and then if it is graduate admission you are going for, you can click on graduate admission. Then you see your future starts here. Then you can read every other thing that you need to know about them. So you can scroll down to read the academic awards, the eligibility. Eligibility for these awards is based on cumulative grade point average as calculated during the admission process. For students applying directly from high school, the awards will be calculated based on their high school grade points average, their GPA. Awards for college students who transfer for the spring semester of their first year of college will also be calculated based on their high school grade point average. Students who do not receive outside scholarship are typically eligible for the maximum value of the academic award below. So here are the award levels for fall 2023. These are the other awards. These are other awards that are available. This is visit award, virtual visit award, distance education 8 points, additional information. So when you get to this website, you can click on every other thing you need to know. And after you've read everything and you're ready to apply, then you can click on apply. So for you to apply, you need to create an account. If you do not have an account before, as a first-time user, you have to create an account, fill in your email, your first name, your last name, your birth date, and then you continue. Create the account and then you apply. You submit your application. Give it a try, and I wish you good luck. For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com.